Today I'm going to be changing a headlight bulb in a VW Passat. That's this guy right here. That's the low beam. Let's jump into it. I'm going to reach down here, release the hood, grab our switch right here. Boom. And then this guy here is the high beam. This guy down in here is our low beam. Pull this guy off. Boom. There's going to be a guy right there. You're going to turn that. I'm pushing with my thumb out. That pulls the bulb out. Then do not touch the glass. I'm just going to touch the metal. I'm going to ease this out very carefully. Boom, got it. Wearing rubber gloves wouldn't be a bad idea. This is the bulb. It's an H7 bulb. I'll have a link in the description. All right. Then you grab it. Now, one thing when you're installing, there's this little notch in the top. That fits into here. So you can't put it upside down. Then when you put it back in, you put it like this and lock into place like that. Then I orient this to the top. I'm going to find right where it goes in here. Kind of wiggle. Then to lock it back in place, you push at the bottom, pull at the top. Here, I'll show you again. So as this slides in, gets into place, it twists that way to lock into place. Then we put our rubber gasket on. That ensures we don't get any moisture in there. That'll blow your fuse out or blow the bulb out. And that's it. That's how you change the light bulb on a Volkswagen Passat. This works for 2012 all the way up to 2016. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.